Chinjachana lewe. Joy, no motive. Yeah, papa. Try, what do you say? Chinjachana. What I say?
Sorry.
Hello. Yes. How are you doing? No, I don't know. Oh, that is so. Oh, that is unfortunate. I'll definitely get to the bottom. We'll handle it. Don't worry. No, I don't worry. We'll take care of it. No. No. No, okay. All right. Have a good day. All right. No. Oh.
It's good. Daddy, I don't know what he was doing. He's just beating me and it hurt. But I didn't know what to do. So he was mad because today Chikoro, to tell you the truth, and she told me she will show me the answers by test. Saka, you know, I was looking at the test answers, and then the teacher saw me, and I told her I wasn't doing anything, just my test, and you know, she accused me of cheating. So she called Daddy, and then next thing you know, Daddy was beating me. Daddy!
I was just sitting there, and then I was like, and then Baba came over, and he said, and then I was like, and then Jaku, my brother, he was like, Daddy! And then I was like, Daddy was like, he went, hit me too. I didn't even do nothing.
In Magic, I'm pretty straightforward. In my house, you do your work, you do your chores. Antika, if I say do this, you do that. Hapana noise. You went there. Chema. Auntie, mwana wakura ucheme. Mutazana namombata maoga gwele. Ameno tambe aroa nae. Anyway, saka anyway, my grades, that number one chete. And I don't care to unoda kudi. Kukaoda kwenda panze, urara panze nema hobos, nema homos, veze vauka, urara navo, but kuno kupano papa, waita my grades ako, torirana. Andika, don't get in my way. I won't put my foot up your what's it called? Hello. Yes.
For my birthday is a
really? Really? That is not good. No, that is not good.
Is that my teacher? I know that's not Miss Belly.
No. Hold on, I'm on the phone. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Oh.
Dad, why y'all gotta drink though?
Oh my goodness.
Why y'all gotta drink, alcoholic?
I will call you back. I will call you back.
Who that anyway? I'm just playing with you.
Anyway, seriously, that was your teacher?
Like, I don't care, so.
Hey,
I don't Cash you? Who you talking to, bro? Who you talking to, bro? Who you talking to?
This is my house.
I run this.
No, you don't.
I run this.
You can leave your key.
That's why your wife ain't even here.
Oh my goodness.
Huh?
Today I got a call from his teacher, and she was saying that he is being very, very abrupt in class, and I mean the whole class is not it's not conducting very well because he's just an interruption, and it's not doing good for others. I mean, I think I understand what the problem is. Ever since his mother left,
Dad, shut your ass up!
My goodness. I don't even know what to do. I mean, he become very, very violent. I mean, in the parenting book, it says that, I mean, you're supposed to be the strong one and not seem needy for the other person who left, but you are still supposed to have a strong front. But these sports they play, I don't understand why they're so enraged these days. I mean, he yells so much, and the other one, he just sits. It's becoming a problem. I think I need to seek some help. Hey,
chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro.
I don't kush around here. You see your kush too? Is that what it is? Hey, and I got good out.
Alright, so it was like this, right? I was at school, and Shorty, she was like looking at my answers, you know what I'm saying? And then I was like, yo, fall back a little bit, Shorty, why you thirsty? You know what I'm saying? And then teacher automatically always hating on black people, especially since I'm African. That makes it worse, you know what I'm saying? So the teacher was like, yo, why you cheating? I was like, bruh, why you always accusing the black people, you know what I'm saying? Us like, we run this, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all always trying to put us down. Anyway, so Shorty called Pops, you know what I'm saying, while I was chilling on the couch watching Real Housewives, you know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling, talking to Shorty as well, like just texting. Teacher calls Pops, and Pops is, you know what I'm saying, it's pretty much the teacher was snitching. For real. Teacher was snitching. Pops was all drinking his beer, Heineken, whatever it was. He's a freaking alcoholic, bruh, I swear. Anyway, so he tried to flex on me, you know what I'm saying? But ever since I joined the football team, I flexed right back at him. I said, so, hey, roll that clip.
I hope you fall down the stairs. And what are you doing? You don't even know. You're not a good example of him. Look what he's doing. Going rapping. Shut up with your iPad, young man. I bought that thing. Say, touch my can of alcohol. Who can
World Star, Zimstar. Hold on. Almost done. Yes! Woo! All right. What did you want to know? Oh, okay. Well, my brother, he's crazy. I know. I tried to join the football team too. Wait. Oh. Wait, what? We're not talking about football? Oh. What are we talking about? Oh, okay.